Good morning everyone. My name is J. Christopher Vilorinti. I'm 18 years old. This HM1B. My stand on the rising issue in the Philippines and Ghost Flood Control Project. I strongly believe the Ghost Flood Control Project reflects a serious failure in governance and accountability. This project, which received funding but are never actually construct, constructed, not only was tax money but also put communities at risk. Flooding remains a major problem in the Philippines, and when funds made for prevention are misused, it leads to loss of life, damage to property, and a continuous cycle of poverty in affected areas. My stand: the government must enforce stricter auditing, transparent project reporting, and stronger penalties for corruption to ensure that every peso locate genuinely benefits the public. Substandard infrastructure classroom roads. Substandard infrastructure are a clear sign of for oversight and corruption in the implementation of government projects. When buildings, classroom, roads, and bridges are contract with low quality materials, they become unsafe and short-lived. This not only endanger lives but also was public funds because this structure will require immediate repair or reconstruction. My stand: infrastructure project must undergo rigorous quality inspection. Higher tax among Filipino worker and consumer. The continued rise of tax places a heavy burden